The MBC 65-inch 4K Smart LED TV is designed to deliver a premium entertainment experience without overwhelming your space or budget. Right from the first glance, it stands out with a modern, minimalistic design. The slim bezels and elegant frame give it a refined look, ensuring the focus stays on the screen itself. Whether it's placed on a stand or wall-mounted, it adds a contemporary touch to any living room setup. While the sturdy build feels reliable and thoughtfully engineered, the display is where this TV really impresses. With true 4K resolution, it provides 4 times the clarity of Full HD, ensuring crisp and detailed images. Color accuracy is solid, delivering vibrant yet natural tones that make movies, sports, and games come alive. Contrast levels are well handled, allowing dark scenes to retain depth while bright highlights remain pronounced, especially with HDR support enhancing every frame. Wide viewing angles mean that picture quality remains consistent, even if you're not sitting directly in front of the screen, making it an excellent choice for larger families or group viewing. Performance-wise, the Android TV platform provides a smooth, intuitive experience. Navigation is straightforward, letting users effortlessly switch between streaming apps, media libraries, and system settings. Integrated Google Assistant allows voice commands to search for content, adjust settings, or control compatible smart home devices. With access to the Google Play Store, a vast library of apps, games, and streaming services is available, turning the TV into a full entertainment hub right out of the box. Connectivity is flexible. Multiple HDMI ports, USB slots, and built-in Wi-Fi make connecting gaming consoles, media devices, or external storage a breeze. Screen mirroring allows content from smartphones or tablets to appear on the large display instantly, adding to its versatility. This setup ensures that the TV adapts seamlessly to a variety of user needs and entertainment setups. Audio performance is balanced and clear. Built-in speakers provide decent volume and sound quality for everyday viewing, including dialogue clarity and a good dynamic range. While it may not match a dedicated sound system, it is more than adequate for casual viewing. For those seeking a fully immersive audio experience, connecting a soundbar or Bluetooth speaker is easy, letting users elevate sound without hassle. Gaming on this TV is a strong point. With low input lag and responsive display performance, it handles fast-paced games on PlayStation, Xbox, or PC with minimal delay. Paired with 4K resolution and HDR, visuals are immersive and detailed, whether tackling action-packed sequences or expansive open-world titles. The performance ensures smooth gameplay that feels engaging and visually impressive. Energy efficiency is another advantage. Despite the 65-inch screen, LED technology keeps power consumption moderate without sacrificing brightness or color performance. System updates are straightforward, keeping the Android platform current and responsive, which is important for long-term usability and new feature integration. Overall, the MBC 65-inch 4K Smart LED TV is a solid option for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment. It combines large-screen visuals, smart Android features, versatile connectivity, and quality audio into a single package. Whether the focus is movies, gaming, or streaming, this TV offers an immersive experience that fits a modern lifestyle and home setup. For anyone wanting a large, high-quality smart TV without breaking the bank, this model delivers on nearly every front. If you're ready to elevate your entertainment experience with a 65-inch 4K LED Android TV, check the link in the description. This TV brings together style, performance, and smart functionality in one complete package for the ultimate home entertainment setup.